Ouch.
Get back in line. I get to go first.
You're ugly.
How was school today, Lisa?
It was great
How come you have a Band-Aid on your knee?
because I was accidentally pushed by some people in my class.
Oh no, it seems like it's just a small little scratch, but next time if anybody put their hands on you or if you feel uncomfortable, you must tell your teacher, okay?
Look.
Huh?
Go to the timeout corner.